Have you ever heard someone say that eating garlic with certain foods can clog your blood vessels or damage your kidneys? If you enjoy garlic regularly, that probably made you worry for a moment. Garlic is loved around the world for its bold flavor and powerful health benefits. It contains allicin, one of the strongest antibacterial and anti-cancer compounds, and is often called a natural antibiotic. The U.S. National Cancer Institute even selected garlic as the #1 cancer-preventing food out of 40 candidates. But here's the surprising truth. Garlic isn't always safe. There are foods that become harmful when eaten with garlic. And there are certain people who should avoid raw garlic altogether. So today, I'll walk you through. First, 5 amazing benefits of garlic. Second, 3 of the worst food combinations. Third, 3 of the best food pairings. Fourth, the safest and most effective ways to store and eat garlic. Stay until the end, especially if you eat garlic often. 5 major benefits of garlic. First, cancer prevention. Garlic contains allicin and selenium, which help prevent cancer cells from forming, and may even help destroy existing abnormal cells. Studies show daily garlic intake can reduce stomach cancer risk by 50% and colon cancer risk by 30%. Crushed or minced garlic releases the most allicin. Second, heart and blood vessel health. Garlic helps lower blood pressure naturally by relaxing blood vessels. It also lowers LDL cholesterol, preventing artery blockage. Third, strong immune boost. Allicin works against harmful bacteria like E. coli, tuberculosis bacteria, and H. pylori. People taking aged garlic extract reported fewer cold symptoms in studies. Fourth, fatigue, recovery, and energy. Allicin combines with vitamin B1 to form a lithiamine, which improves energy metabolism and fights fatigue. Fifth, brain health and dementia prevention. Garlic's antioxidants protect brain cells. Large long-term studies show regular garlic eaters maintain better cognitive function as they age. 3 worst garlic food pairings. First, garlic milk. The protein in milk conflicts with garlic's sulfur compounds, causing bloating, indigestion, reflux, worsened gastritis. Space them out by 2-3 hours. Second, garlic coffee. Coffee increases stomach acid, and garlic irritates the stomach lining. Together, they cause heartburn and reflux. Third, garlic seaweed. Seaweed's calcium doesn't absorb well. When combined with garlic's sulfur and phosphorus components, it also disrupts the flavor balance of seaweed soup. 3 best garlic food pairings. First, garlic pork. Garlic's antioxidants help neutralize toxins formed during grilling. Garlic also helps the body absorb vitamin B1 from pork more efficiently. Second, garlic fish. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish improve circulation, and garlic enhances this effect, while removing fishy odors. Third, garlic tomatoes. Tomatoes contain vitamin C and lycopene. When combined with garlic, antioxidant effects multiply and protect against cancer and heart disease. How to choose and store garlic. First, how to choose fresh garlic. Firm and heavy. Thin, dry skin. Plump cloves. No sprouts. Second, how to store it. Whole garlic, cool, ventilated area. Peeled garlic, airtight container with paper towels. Minced garlic, freeze flattened bags for long-term use. Third, who should be careful with garlic. People taking blood thinners. Those with acid reflux. People preparing for surgery. Those with sensitive stomachs. Cooked garlic is gentler than raw garlic. Tomato section. Also converted to first, second, third style. Tomatoes are also powerful superfoods, but they have good and bad combinations just like garlic. 5 benefits of tomatoes. First, cancer prevention. Lycopene reduces pancreatic and other cancer risks. 2 tomatoes a week can make a meaningful difference. Second, stroke prevention. Tomatoes lower LDL cholesterol and keep blood vessels supple. Third, dementia prevention. Tomatoes contain quercetin, which enhances memory and supports brain function. Fourth, eye protection. Vitamin A, vitamin C, and beta-carotene help prevent cataracts. Fifth, skin health. Tomatoes reduce pigmentation, brighten skin, and protect from UV damage. 3 worst tomato pairings. First, tomato sugar. Sugar neutralizes tomatoes' vitamins and spikes blood sugar. Second, tomato ketchup. Ketchup contains high sugar, corn syrup, and sodium harmful for heart health. Third, tomatoes for those with histamine issues or acid reflux. Tomatoes contain histamine and acids that worsen allergies or reflux. 3 best tomato pairings. First, tomatoes, protein, meat, eggs, tofu. Tomatoes lack protein. Pairing them creates a balanced nutrient profile. Second, tomatoes, broccoli. Lycopene and sulforaphane together double anti-cancer effects. Third, tomatoes, milk. Milk provides calcium and vitamin D that tomatoes lack. Soy milk also works. Final thoughts. Garlic and tomatoes are two of the most powerful everyday superfoods, but only when paired correctly. Avoid harmful combinations, choose beneficial pairings, and you can turn simple foods into natural medicine for your heart, brain, and immune system.